What is international investing? International investing simply means putting your money into companies or assets based outside your home country. So instead of just buying shares in UK companies, for example, you might invest in American tech firms, Japanese car makers, or even an Indian energy fund. It's like expanding your shopping list, not just choosing what's available nearby, but exploring the whole supermarket. Why does it matter? Imagine only ever eating food from your own country. You'd miss out on spices, flavors, and ingredients from all over the world. It's the same with investing. Sticking to one country limits your opportunities. By investing internationally, you get access to some of the world's biggest and fastest growing companies. That could mean better returns, or at least a more balanced portfolio. It also helps spread your risk. If your home economy is struggling, markets abroad might still be doing well. That can help smooth out the bumps. Most investors mix both, some money at home, some abroad, so you're not over-relying on one economy. Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest £100 each month. If you only put that money into the UK stock market, your success depends mostly on how UK businesses perform. But if you split that between the UK and, say, the US and Asia, then you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. One region might be having a bad year, but the others could be growing, keeping your overall investments healthier. What else should you know? International investing can be slightly more complex. Exchange rates can affect your returns. For example, if the pound weakens against the dollar, your US investments might be worth more when converted back. But if the pound strengthens, they might be worth less. Different countries also have different rules, risks, and political situations. That's why many beginners invest globally using funds. These are bundles of investments across different regions, all managed for you. Some funds focus on developed markets like the US and Europe, while others include fast-growing areas like India or Brazil, each with different levels of risk and reward. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. Many beginner-friendly apps and investing platforms offer ready-made global funds you can invest in. To sum it all up, international investing means putting your money into companies or assets around the world. It can give you more opportunities, reduce risk, and open doors beyond your local market. It's not completely risk-free, but with the right tools, like global funds, it's a smart and accessible way to grow your money over time. Think of it like a passport for your money, traveling the world to find new opportunities. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.